Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best heavy-duty cleaning wipes is probably one of the most essential items in any household or workshop, tackling everything from stubborn grease and grime on kitchen counters to tough stains on workshop floors. These wipes are designed to cut through messes that ordinary cleaners can't handle, making your cleaning task significantly easier and more efficient, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Number 5. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Introducing the Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. It's designed to bring back the shine to your stainless steel surfaces. This powerful formula easily removes stubborn grease, water spots, and streaks. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. Keep your appliances looking pristine with its anti-fingerprint properties. Enjoy a clean look that lasts longer. It's safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including appliances, chrome fixtures, sinks, and even grill exteriors. The kit includes everything you need, with 2 wipes and a polishing cloth. Achieve a brilliant, residue-free finish every time. Not only does it clean, but it also polishes, protecting your stainless steel from future smudges. Experience the difference it makes. What we like? If you're tired of smudges and streaks on your stainless steel appliances, this is the solution. It not only cleans but also polishes, leaving a protective barrier against fingerprints. For those who want their kitchen to shine with minimal effort, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These wipes are incredibly durable and don't tear easily, even when scrubbing tough grime. The textured surface really helps lift dirt and grease effectively, making cleaning much faster. They hold up well against strong cleaning solutions without disintegrating. Number 4. Air Jungle's 3-in-1 Leather Cleaner Wipes. Introducing our extra-large cleaning wipes, designed for both home and car interiors. These are our strongest and largest wipes yet, perfect for tackling large leather surfaces. Experience powerful cleaning that gently removes dirt, oil, and tough stains. They are safe for all leather types and colors, whether new or old. These wipes not only clean but also condition your leather, reviving its natural beauty. They leave a brilliant, protective shine on sealed surfaces. Perfect for regular use on a variety of items. Use them on furniture, car interiors, purses, shoes, boots, and bags. Our non-toxic formula is ready to use right out of the package. They are lint-free and leave no sticky or oily residue behind. What we like? For those who own leather goods, this is a must-have. These extra-large wipes clean, condition, and protect your leather furniture, car interiors, and accessories. If you want to maintain the look and feel of your leather items, these are the ideal solution. What people say. These wipes are great for cleaning up messes quickly and effectively. The heavy-duty material holds up well even when scrubbing tough grime. They leave surfaces sparkling clean without streaks. Number 3. Big Wipes Heavy-Duty Industrial Hand Cleaning Wipes. Introducing Big Wipes, the ultimate solution for cleaning tough industrial grime. These heavy-duty wipes are designed to tackle grease and dirt effectively, leaving your hands clean. Perfect for mechanics and anyone working with tools, these wipes offer superior cleaning power. They are formulated to remove stubborn residues without damaging your skin. Experience the power of our advanced degreaser formula. Each wipe is packed with cleaning agents to break down grease and oil effortlessly. The textured surface provides extra scrubbing power to lift away even the most caked-on dirt. Get a deeper clean with every swipe. This convenient 80-count canister ensures you always have powerful cleaning wipes on hand. Keep them in your workshop, garage, or truck for quick cleanups. Don't let dirt and grease slow you down. With these wipes, you can maintain clean hands and stay productive throughout your workday. What we like? Mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, listen up. These wipes are designed for the toughest jobs, with a textured surface to tackle grease and grime. If you're looking for a powerful degreaser that can handle heavy-duty cleaning on hands and tools, these are your go-to. What people say. These wipes are incredibly durable and don't tear easily, even when scrubbing tough grime. The cleaning solution is effective, cutting through grease and dirt with minimal effort. They leave surfaces sparkling clean without any streaks or residue. Number 2. Crocodile Cloth All-Purpose Cleaning Wipes. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with Crocodile cloth. These extra-large, plant-based wipes make tidying up effortless. Our generously sized cloths are made from plant-based materials, offering a sustainable and effective way to clean your home. Experience the superior cleaning power. They are moist and highly absorbent, tackling messes with ease. Designed to be safe on your skin, you can use them with confidence around your family and pets. From kitchen counters to bathroom surfaces, these versatile wipes are perfect for cleaning almost anywhere in your home. Each pack contains 80 disposable cloths, ensuring you always have a convenient cleaning option on hand when you need it. What we like. If you prefer eco-friendly options and need a versatile cleaning solution, consider these. Their extra-large, plant-based cloths are great for tackling messes all around your home or workshop. They are perfect for those who want effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. What people say. These wipes are great for cleaning up messes quickly and effectively. The heavy-duty material holds up well, even when scrubbing tough grime. They leave surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. Number 1. Simple Green Heavy-Duty Cleaning Towels. Introducing our professional-grade cleaning towels. They are designed to tackle heavy-duty grease and grime with ease. These all-purpose wipes are perfect for any cleaning task around your home or workplace. Get a powerful clean every time. Each pack comes with 75 pre-moistened towels, ready for immediate use. Simply grab one and wipe away messes. Experience the heavy-duty degreasing power that Simple Green is known for. These towels cut through tough buildup effortlessly. This value pack includes 2 containers, each with 75 towels. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Achieve professional-level cleaning results without the harsh chemicals. They are effective yet safe for various surfaces. What we like. For a powerful, all-around cleaner that tackles tough messes, this is your best bet. These professional-grade towels are designed for heavy-duty degreasing and general cleaning tasks. If you need a reliable and effective solution for various cleaning challenges, these are highly recommended. What people say. These wipes are great for cleaning up messes quickly and effectively. The heavy-duty material holds up well, even when scrubbing tough grime. I love how these wipes leave surfaces sparkling clean without any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.